अब आपको लिए चलेंगे कराची, जहां पर वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Such efforts are especially valuable at a time when thoughtful dialogue and informed exchange are more necessary than ever. OUP has created Oxford Education Program for Sindh. We plan to collaborate with OUP to implement this program for improvement in learning outcomes for students of Sindh and to empower our teachers with the skills and resources they need to shape the future. The government of Sindh is proud to support the Karachi Literature Festival and to partner in initiatives that promote learning, creativity, and cultural engagement. We remain committed to encouraging local and regional literature and to provide an enabling environment in which talent can flourish. Supporting arts and literature is not merely cultural patronage. It is an investment in social cohesion, critical thinking, and long-term progress. To our younger generation, I would offer one simple reflection. Time spent with books is time never wasted. Literature broadens horizons, sharpens judgment, and nurtures imagination. To writers and artists, I say continue to create, to question, and to illuminate. Our collective best, I firmly believe, still lies ahead. Before I conclude, a few lines by Lord Byron, and I quote, "But words are things, and a small drop of ink, falling like dew upon a thought, produces that which makes thousands, perhaps millions think." And I don't think a literature festival in the province of Sindh would be complete without a few couplets from Abdul Latif Bhitai. And I would translate this from Sindhi. Sujanan sado sang unan kha utha, jeke padan sa se lahan sacho raha. And I translate, the company of the learned is an ocean without limits. Those who read with devotion find the true path. And one more couplet. Ilma si ujaro jahalat undhae, je na padyo so pandha mein hali rayo gumrah. Knowledge brings light, ignorance darkness. One who does not read remains lost upon the path. May this festival continue to produce such drops of ink, sparking thought, dialogue, and understanding far beyond these halls. Let us choose to read with devotion, to find the right path, and take us out of darkness into light. Thank you all. Pakistan Zindabad.
कराची में लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि किताबें ही सब कुछ है, हम सबको किताबों से बहुत कुछ पढ़ना चाहिए।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।